السلام عليكم. اسمي Rory McCarthy. أنا الرئيس التنفيذي للعمليات في Yellow Door Energy. My name is Rory McCarthy. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Yellow Door Energy. We're the leading sustainable energy partner for businesses with over 200 megawatts of awarded solar projects in the Middle East and Pakistan. We provide solar leases which are zero capex, no expense, engineering and investment solutions that provide long-term inexpensive electricity and help businesses become more competitive. Today, I'm at Gulfood Manufacturing, taking place at the very bustling and very busy Dubai World Trade Center. I'm here to speak about net zero, what it means, and how food and beverage manufacturers can achieve net zero emissions, both balancing profitability and sustainability. This is in line with the recently announced UAE Net Zero by 2050 strategic initiative, a national drive to achieve climate neutrality by 2050. The UAE is the first nation in the MENA region to commit to net zero, solidifying its position as a global sustainability champion. We are proud to have food and beverage customers such as United Foods, Nestle Middle East, and many leading retailers such as Majid Al Futtaim and Carrefour. Join us on the sustainable energy journey and let's make a real impact towards net zero.